Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your product pages more engaging? In this video, I will show you exactly how to add videos to your Shopify product pages, no coding required. Step 1, upload your video. So first of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, log into your Shopify dashboard with your uh, credentials like email passwords, then click login. You can either upload your video to YouTube, Vimeo, or directly in Shopify. Option A, YouTube Vimeo. Go to YouTube channel and copy the video share link or click embed and copy the iframe and go to Shopify store. Then go to products. Then click on it. Click a products and click the show element HTML button. Then paste it here. Then click save. Then here it is. Option B, Shopify files. Go to Shopify admin dashboard, then click content from the right side panel, then click files. Now upload your video and copy the URL. Click upload files and upload your video from your computer. Now go to product section. Choose the one you want and scroll to the description box. Now click insert video icon in the toolbar, paste your video link and hit insert from content. Click show HTML icon again and paste this code like video controls white equal to 100%. Then again source src equal to your video URL here. Now type equal to video mp4. Your browser does not support this video tag. Write your browser does not support the video tag. Then enter video last ending tag. So that's it. You can also add a video directly as a media file, just like images. Go to product page and click add media from here. Add from URL, paste the YouTube or Vimeo link, or click upload file to add an MP4 from your computer. Once your Once your video is added, you can drag and drop it to make it appear first or second in the product gallery. Shopify automatically creates a play button overlay on mobile and desktop. The video is fully responsive. Keep video short, 30 to 90 seconds. Use subtitles for silent viewing, highlight features, use cases or customer testimonials. Make sure it loads fast, compress if needed. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.